Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
What's up YouTube? My name is Ryan, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get free PS Plus. Please help me drop a like down below and subscribe. Turn on notifications on so you won't miss out any of my videos. If we reach 30 likes in this video, I'll make another video on how to get Fortnite skins for free. So, without further ado, let's hop straight into the tutorial. Okay, so first you can see my account doesn't have PS Plus. Okay, I don't have PS Plus. And this is the glitch account I did yesterday. So all you want to do is add account, create a new user, and you will get to this page. You want to create a new account. You want to sign up now. And you want to make sure your country is in United States or else this will not work, and make sure your age is above 18. Now for the postal code you can use fake name generator, or you can just use the one I use right here. You want to click next. Now for email you can use temporary email, or you can use your Gmail or anything, whatever you want to use. And you want to type in your password. And after you type in your password, you just want to click next. Just choose any avatar you want. Online ID, just use anything. And the first name and last name, use anything. And you want to click next, next, next. And you want to accept this. And you want to verify your email. Just go to your inbox and just verify your PSN account. And after you verified, you just want to continue. And you want to do this later. And you want to also do this later. And you want to do this later. You want to click next. You want to skip these offers. You want to skip this. You want to click OK. So you'll be taken to this home page. Now what you want to do is you want to go to settings, go to language, and you want to switch your language to Espanol, and you want to quickly switch back to English. You want to back out, go to save data management, save data in online storage, and you just get the 2-day free trial. Now you've got free PS Plus. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'm out.